What if 60 minutes from right now, you could have a product for sale on JVZoo, ready to go, one that you could actually start selling and making money from? Does that sound insane? And literally anybody can do this. You don't have to be an expert to be able to do this. Anybody can do this. If that sounds insane, then you're really going to have your mind blown when I tell you all about my review of 60-Minute Reseller. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and I'm known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can film successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that I tell stale dad jokes. You can skip ahead, because let's face it, I'm not even a dad and I tell stale dad jokes. Go figure. I mean, I have a couple of cats. Hoping to be a dad soon, but not quite yet, but hopefully soon. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my desk? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, you know what? Seriously, it's enough. Okay, you don't want crap. These people certainly don't want crap, and you don't either. Nobody wants crap. Okay, seriously, nobody does. Stop it. That guy is so irritating. Yakety, yakety, yakety with the crap all the time. Yakety, 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 over and over and over again. Yakety, yakety, yakety. Dude, give it a rest. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, we also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see, Liz, you would think that I would be upset with her because she's the same thing all the time also, but hey, she's sweet about it, so, can't get angry at her. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for 60-Minute Reseller 2.0. This is from my mentor, John Thornhill. John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson launched this together. Now, basically, John is one of the top experts in the IM field. Okay, John literally has made tens of millions of dollars selling stuff online. And he is the person that is responsible for me being a success today. I haven't made tens of millions, but I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars from my business. And a lot of that is thanks to John. Really, really an incredible human being. Just somebody who knows his stuff and knows how to actually make this kind of thing happen, and just in record time. Now, basically, what he's going to do in this course, he's going to show you how to take any kind of private label or resale rights products that you have and turn it into a product you can actually go ahead and sell on JVZoo in 60 minutes or less. Now, here's my thoughts on this. You need a few things in order for this to happen. First of all, you're going to need some good quality products that have private label rights. Now, maybe you already have some, maybe you don't. But whether you do or you don't, even if you do, you can always use more. And boy, do I have the granddaddy of all private label packages to give to you. I have spent the past few weeks putting together 101,000 words worth of content spread across more than 50 different ebooks. Okay, these are brand new ebooks. These are not recycled stuff that a million other people have. Nobody else has these at all. They are exclusively from me. You cannot get these elsewhere. These are brand new books that I just put together for you. And there's over 101,000 words spread over, I think, about 400 pages worth of content. Now, obviously, I'm not expecting you to read all of that, but the idea is that you are going to be able to pick and choose from these things and use it to create your first product. It'll give you a fresh product that you can pump out in record time, because you don't have to worry about editing somebody else's old stuff, because this is brand new stuff. Nobody's got it. And they're all on relevant topics that everybody wants right now. Okay. One of them, for example, is 10 ways to monetize ChatGPT. Yeah, I did that. I've got it for you. It's ready to roll. It's brand new content that nobody else will have for you. It is all completely fresh stuff. And there's topics ranging from photography to hiking to dieting to relationships. So there's literally all the big stuff that you can find online. There's topics available. And if you want to, you can go ahead and resell all of these as a package, of ebooks. If you want to resell them, you can do that. You want to use the books, you can do that too. You want to use them as a lead magnet, do that. You want to break them up and use them as blog posts, do that also. There's probably you could probably post a blog post every single day and for a year and still not use up all the content, because there's literally over 101,000 words worth of content here. So you could break it up into blog posts and post another blog every single day and still not use up all the content that I'm giving you with this package. But I'm not done yet. In addition to that, I'm also going to hand you a done for you sales page. This is the same sales page that I personally use for my own launches, the one that I spent thousands of dollars to create. You get it for free. You also get the software that I use for it for free, which is called Thrive Architect, or that's $89 a year. You get that for free. Plus, on top of all that, I'm going to give you my brand new course where I'm going to show you how to use a few simple AI tools to turn any content, including the PLR content I'm giving you, into videos that you can go ahead and sell as the upgrade for your product. So you can sell the basic product and then sell an upgrade, which is going to be the video version of the course. And again, you're going to be able to make this completely professional. These without, by the way, you never have to appear on camera. You never even have to say a word. You can literally do this all in seconds. It's all done through AI. Now, the issue with a lot of AI, especially the text to voice stuff, a lot of them sound like, pardon my French, but they sound like crap. Okay, this is going to make you sound completely professional, like you hired a professional voiceover artist to read these things for you. That's how good they are. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do the whole thing, including making the video itself, and not a video where you're playing back like just text on a screen with your typical PLR crappy video where it's basically text on a screen because you're playing back a PowerPoint presentation. This is going to be video with B-roll content, where it's actually going to have like professional videos in the background, and it's all done automatically for you in seconds. It's literally going to take seconds, and it's all going to be done for you. You're going to have everything there for you. Now, by the way, the price for all of this is truly, truly bonkers. $14.95. That's it. $14.95 for the whole business, including everything that John is giving you, including everything that I'm giving you. Okay. Now, the regular price, by the way, is $67. That's not, by the way, full scarcity. Okay, this is real. When John asked me to take a look at this, I went on to JVZoo to take a look, and the standard price listed for this particular product is $67. Okay, seriously, $67. That is the standard price. Let me go ahead and actually pull up just so you can see that I'm not giving you false information. This is legitimately, and I almost said, what? I'm not selling it for $67. I mean, it's good. It's worth $67. It's worth more than $67. That's not the point. I like my customers to get a bargain of bargains of bargains. Okay. And that's the only kind of stuff that I'm going to tell you about, is when I think that you are getting the world's biggest, most ridiculous bargain imaginable. And even though I thought the price was solid at $67, I want you to have the world's biggest bargain imaginable. So that's why I said, when I first saw this, it's like $67. I have to think about that. Certainly with my bonuses, it's worth it. Here we go. Check this out. This is right here on JVZoo. Here's the price, $67. Okay, and when I saw that, I was like, $67. You know what John is offering you and what I'm giving you, well worth $67. I mean, that's an insane price. Okay, seriously, it is well worth buying this thing for $67. But when you get it discounted to just $14.95. Now this is limited though. It's going to go up to the full $67 once the launch ends, which is going to be on the 20th of February. But until then, it is going to be just $67. So you're going to be able to get it for $67 with all of my bonuses, including, by the way, I'm taking the bonuses away as soon as the launch ends because I'm going to turn those into my own product launch. Okay, because I spend so much time putting these together. And by the way, it's not just the ebooks. I'm also giving you all the mockups. Okay, these are professional quality mockups. If you go onto Fiverr to go have a mockup made for you, you're going to spend like $50 a piece to have mockups made for you. And I'm not kidding about this. Okay, if we go onto Fiverr, let's go right now to fiverr.com and let's check the prices out. Okay, all right, and let's search for professional mockup. All right, let's just go ahead and search. All right. So prices are ranging, this is for a logo, not for a mock-up. You want a book mock-up, for example. These are all logos, by the way. You can see that these prices are not legitimate mock-ups. Okay. Professional mock-up product package, for example. 3D. Let's go ahead and search for that. All right. And you can see here, $40, okay, $15, $10, $20. Some of them are going to be cheaper, but a lot of them, they're charging $50 a piece, okay? Or product book. That's what I'm giving you. I'm giving you books. Ready to deploy books. Let's find one that's actual books here that you're going to be able to see. Okay, and yeah, some of them are only $5. I will freely say that some of them are going to be $50, some of them are $100. You're getting over 50 of these included for free, ready to use, professional quality. Okay, every single one of them has professional quality images on them. You can see on my website some of the samples of these ebooks. There's over 50 of them available that you're going to be getting from me. And the only reason I'm not putting them all up over there is just because it would take forever for the page to load because it's like half a gigabyte worth of content just to download the ebook covers because they're high-end covers that are not, the cheap chintzy stuff. We're talking about really high quality stuff. So that's why. Okay, so and so basically you're getting all of that for your $14.95. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. You see everything is included here step by step, exactly what to do, and to do the whole thing in 60 minutes flat to get it up and running on JVZoo in 60 minutes or less. Okay, start to finish, that's how long it's going to take to make this happen. All right, and you're getting all of this stuff included for your $14.95. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat slip while you're paid or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, use tip of my hat. This is awesome stuff. John always over delivers, and of course, if you're one of my fans, you know that I will always over deliver for you as well. I really want you to get everything you need. So we have this. This one is incredible, especially with my boss. You're gonna love this.